two drains discolored. The two drains in the middle of the pool are getting discolored. What causes this and how do I fix it?
Here's one of those questions we talk about where context is everything. Are we talking about two plastic lids on two drains in the bottom of the pool discoloring? I don't know. Likely, when you say you have two drains, I would guess that we have two plastic drains that are either put over a gunite main drain or a vinyl liner main drain, which all is the same except for how they attach. Are they white? Are they gray? Are they blue? Are they, when they were put in place, were they the same color they started and they've changed now? Water is going to fade everything. And without knowing more of a context, I have almost a zero chance of getting this question right in terms of what do they mean. When plastic lids are made, and I'm assuming that's what it is, a lid on the main drains, they're made with plastics and dye, and those are so unpredictable. As much as white is the least attractive drain cover to put on a pool, it is the most effective because you don't see it change. If you put a blue one on there, you can see it fade. If you put a gray one on there, is it the light or the dark gray? The light gray is better because you don't see the fading as much, but if you put a dark gray on there, they fade. Or a black drain becomes gray very quickly. And most often, it's a part of the water chemistry and what's happening with, you have water chemistry, you have UV light, you have all kinds of stuff that could change those. Now, if they're getting coated with something else, that's a whole different process. Are they going from black to white because they're getting calcium buildup on them? If that's the case, then you have an electrolysis problem, or you have a problem with your bonding or your grounding of your system. I hope that gets you thinking about all the other things, and if you could give me some clarity in terms of pictures of what it is, I might be able to do a little better for you.